Today I want to talk about credit repair and why it's essential before you go apply for business funding, homes, or cars. And what is credit repair? Basically, credit repair is basically when you take a look at your credit report and you find the common errors, you identify any outdated information or any negative information that is affecting your credit report. And so that's basically what credit repair is. Basically, you can do it yourself or you hire a company like myself. Basically, you go in and you look at all the negative information and you dispute them with the credit bureaus. But why is it essential that you dispute all this information or get your credit fixed before you go and apply for these loans for business funding, homes, or whatever? Your credit report is your adult report card. It says a lot about you. Maybe you've messed up in the past, but that's people are more asking you about your social now. So your credit report is your adult report card. And so what happens is when you have bad credit, and that's why it's so important that you dispute this information off your credit before you go and get these loans, trying to get business credit, business funding, homes or cars, is because of the interest rate. And your scores do matter. The negative information that's put on your credit report does matter. So say if you're going to get funding, what the lenders are looking for is your trustworthiness. Can this person pay this bill back on time? That's why before you apply for funding, they want to check your personal score. When you go buy a house, say you're 600, a difference between a 600 and a 700 credit score when you're buying a home is you can save thousands of dollars if you're 700 or you're 600. You can save thousands of dollars. So it's important that you get all those negative information off your credit. Even with a car loan, when you go apply for these car loans, what the dealership is looking for is, can this person be trusted? And what happens is when you have poor credit, you can either get denied or you have high interest rate. So most times you see people go to buy here, pay here, or they go to a lot and where their interest rate is at 23%. So basically paying double for the car. So I challenge y'all in this season, if you're trying to get your credit right, before you go apply for anything, get your credit right. Let a professional, or if you don't know what you're doing, get a professional to look it over with you. I actually do free consultations where I can take a look at your credit report and I give you the information that you need. You don't have to sign up for my program, but I just want to give you the information. If just let somebody professional look at your credit report and tell you what is the next step in this credit journey, so that you can have the things that you desire, the nice home, the nice car, or the business funding that you need to get your business started or really go to the next level. Thank you, man. Be blessed. Let's get our credit straight.